That's right. Make sure you subscribe. You heard Baby Princey. That's right. So show them what we're going to be doing a taste test.
Tasting chocolate. Yeah. This is my favorite. And me too. And this one.
So show them. Let's lift them up. Let's show each one.
Look.
Nice.
Yeah.
And we're going to use that in our cake.
Yeah.
Instead of chocolate chips, we're going to put chocolate chunks. Just taste. Yup, it just tastes better.
Okay, Daddy, come.
We have a little side clown over
Okay,
there.
Daddy, come. Let's do the taste test.
All right, let's break it open.
Yeah, Daddy, come. I know how to open them. You don't have to cut them.
Oh, you don't want to try?
No, we can do this.
Okay.
Never cut through the middle. Okay, we have one chocolate.
Yeah,
Chocolate. Daddy, chocolate. When I tried chopping off, that Mom gave me a chocolate. A bunch of chocolate because it said chocolate. Did I just get slapped with chocolate? Yes, you did.
Chocolate? Did you cut a piece of chocolate and keep the chocolate from flying up? Amazing. All right, so we're going to rate them. We're going to rate them.
We're rating them from 1 to 10.
Exactly, Belle. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for sharing the rules.
Pretty stop. I will eat that. Number 4 is Mr.
First one we're going to do, first one we're trying. It's going to be Cadbury. Cadbury, and this is dairy milk chocolate.
Yeah, I can have this.
Yeah, you can. A little bit you can, little small portions. So everyone taste it.
Give me that 1 out of 10.
A 1 is bad. So you like it a 1
Yeah.
or a
We
10?
like it a 9 out of 10.
It's a 1, you not liking, you not feeling it? Not feeling it.
Now, I want number 2.
Number 2, Belle's eating so many chocolates, she's not even on camera. Come on camera, baby.
Hi.
And then we have Lindt. Classic recipe, milk chocolate, number 2. Let's see if this is any good.
That was really good.
Come
I
on.
mean, that's the end of the video. I didn't try it. Let me get a piece. And let me get my own piece.
Here, bring it.
I'll get my own piece right here.
Oh. I give that a 7. What?
2.
8.
8.
Next we have, but what do you rate that? You don't like this one? You want to spit it out?
I
Can't spit it out, you gotta spit it in.
rated a 6 out of 10.
Alright, that's not bad.
That's
Number
good.
3 for us is Ghirardelli. Now, and I may be saying it wrong, but we love this, right?
This is my favorite.
We use this on our chocolate, on our ice cream. We use the syrup. It's amazing. So now we're gonna give it a taste test. We're gonna see.
I'm opening it. These are my favorite chocolate.
I know they are. Yeah, your favorite.
What is it?
Not too big. Remember, not too big. And this is supposed to be the best. Right here. It's 86% cacao. Dark chocolate. I'm not really a fan of it.
So how do you rate it?
I give it a 1. I give it a 2. It's salty. It's salty. I give it like a 2. A 3.
I'll give it 1 on it. I already smell it.
You give it a 1, right?
It does not smell good.
Let me get us some water.
0 out of 10. That is on my mouth.
Oh, wow, I'm sorry.
This is mine. Now let's try Mr. Beast. I love him. I know I love him.
This is Princey's favorite chocolate, Mr. Beast.
No, mine.
Both of yours. Both of your favorite chocolate.
I love it. I love it. It's okay, this one. It's 5 out of 10. Dad, the big ones don't taste that good.
Mr. Beast don't taste that good?
Yes, it does.
Wow.
Yes, it does. I give it 3 out of 10. 5 out of 10.
Let's see.
A 3 out of 10. Ew.
You don't like it?
Give me a 2. Ew. It's disgusting.
Yeah. Sorry, Mr. Beast. I messed with you, but That was horrible. That was a 0.
I love you. Yeah, 0.
We love Mr. Beast. Yeah, he's the best. So for me, our top 2, right, are... No, it's not that one. Where's the other one? We're missing one.
This one?
Oh, yeah. So this one, the Cadbury is #1. That one wins. I think that is the best chocolate. I like this. I like Lindt.
Dad, which one was funky?
I think it was the Ghirardelli one. This was horrible.
Guys, fuck it. I remember this one I said was a 10 out of 10.
Yup.
And I said this was a 10 out of 10.
So now, after we know...
These two are disgusting.
Yeah, the other 2, this...
And
lose. So we're getting rid of them. We're eliminating them. So now we're down to just 2. Out of those 2,
Let's
now,
try them again.
that's what we have to do. Exactly, Belley. So everyone take a piece
Let's try
again.
this one.
So
I don't like it. I don't want to try it.
You don't like this one?
I don't want to try it.
All right.
Oh.
Princey doesn't have to.
I want to.
Belley does.
Dad, can we try the one with the when you drink?
Yeah.
I think this one. Oh, I said this was a 10 out of 10.
I think this is good.
That one I said was out of 5.
Remember, Daddy told you, these are the bunny I used to eat as a kid. The Cadbury
I'm
bunny.
eating this the whole day. Dad, imagine when I said 6 out of 10. Mom, which one? I don't like that.
That's that one. That's a 10 out of 10.
Funky. That's funky in my mouth. I'm eating it.
So the one that picked,
That's funky.
I have to stop Bella. This is #1. So the next video we'll show you is when we bake it. When we bake this into our cake.
We're gonna smash it.
Yep. But anyway, like Prince was saying.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
And for the channel.